This video is made for educational and commentary purposes and includes significant original narration and analysis.
Oh, yes.
Like,
well, now you have to send that to me. I want to.
I have sent it to you, I'm pretty sure.
No, you didn't.
I'm very sure I did. This person just made an illegal left turn in front of a cop. That's crazy. Yeah, he's literally getting pulled over right now.
Loser.
Yeah, literally right in front of me. Bro, I posted that on Reddit. That's crazy.
She got pulled for that!
Now. I'm not gonna like not do something.
Yeah, this was to get it fixed.
Watch out!
Oh, good. Yes! Yes! That never happens!
All right.
Yes, ma'am. My visitor just blocked a police officer.
You saw a police officer?
Yeah, the dude. Supposed to turn. Who are they gonna pull over? Me? That guy? Yes. God, bro. Yes.
I'll pull that up.
Dude, and I just like what? Man, why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time.
Yeah.
Did you see that guy?
I thought it was coming after.
That's really awesome. He's like, yeah.
Dude just ran a red light right into a cop.
What?
The dude seriously just ran.
We could be like, oh, well, Neil's watching that show and with my new...
would like a Christmas present.
Me from myself. They saved my life.
Did kind of hurt my feelings earlier.
What?
Like, I wasn't even really trying to talk about the bridal groomsmen parties anymore.
Sorry, this guy just got pulled over. Talk to him. That was me. I think he did. I think he drove. I think he drove on the shoulder and then cut in front of people. Ooh, damn, she pissed.
Huli kayo.
Ha?
Huli ng pulis ba? Nagbit ng red. Ayun, huli ka. Panoorin natin sa video mamaya. Huli ka, bit pa boy. Nasa harapan niya yung pulis mismo eh. Grabe naman ito maglito, bro.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you practice safe driving out there.